Hello friends, welcome to Amrita GFX. My name is Amrita. In this video, we will learn how to create a zombie effect in Photoshop 2021. Here is the final result of the video. But first, if you want to support me, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will help me to rank this video. So now let's start the video. First, we need to select this skull. For that, we need to use quick selection tool. Now drag and drop it on the image. Now we have to resize the skull according to the face. For this, press Ctrl plus T and scale it up. Now create new layer mask. Now we need to lower the color of this mask. For this, press Ctrl plus I. Now you can see skull image is disappear. Select the brush tool. Opacity 100% and the flow 55%. Select the white color. Now change shape of the wing by clicking on this layer. Now we double click on this layer. Click on this inner shadow to add some depth, and you can change your value as per your needs. And then hit OK. Drag and drop this image. Press Ctrl plus T and enlarge this structure. Select linear one from this drop down box and remove the unwanted part. Now we change the eye color. Fill the white color and then hit OK. Now we will change the color of the skull. For this, add hue saturation. Click on this icon and select the hue saturation. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell icon to get the latest update of the new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.